Hi viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make barbecue style chicken tikka at home. Let's start now. Take 1 kg chicken. Add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Salt as per taste. Take 2 lemons. Mix it well. Now keep aside for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, take another bowl. Take half liter curd. Two spoons chili powder. Half spoon turmeric powder. Half spoon chaat masala, 50 grams tandoori chicken masala. Add some kasuri methi. One teaspoon of garam masala. Add 4 tablespoons of hot oil. Now finally add 150 gram barbecue sauce. Now mix it well until it becomes smooth batter. Add some salt and again mix it well. Now batter is ready. Now take the chicken. Now pour the batter on it. Now mix it well. Now marinate for 6 hours. Keep it in refrigerator. That's it. 6 hours completed. The marinated chicken is ready. Now ready the barbecue grill. I am using high-tech barbecue grill set and add charcoal. Now turn it. Pour some oil on it. Finally, the barbecue chicken is ready.